Parole politics is intensifying in the capital now after the Aam Aadmi Party had a news conference just a short while back accusing the Delhi's Lieutenant Governor of also asking for parole for former Haryana Chief Minister and putting pressure on the Delhi government. Delhi LG has hit back. We have Pooja Shali who's joining us now. Pooja, the Delhi Lieutenant Governor, according to sources, has alleged that there has been a pressure on him, in fact, from the Delhi government on various cases.
Absolutely. A very crucial news conference has in fact been organized by the Lieutenant Governor's office. This does not happen often, which means clearly the LG office had taken extreme offense to how the Delhi government had been charging directly at the Delhi Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung. And what happened today was, in this very crucial news conference, they very clearly stated 2 points. One, that the Delhi government politicized the whole issue of parole for O.P. Chautala, primarily because their Home Minister, Satyendra Jain, when he came and met us, he came with a file, wanted criminal cases to be removed of his leaders, his ministers, including Arvind Kejriwal. And this meeting took place on 21st October. When the Lieutenant Governor, it appears, had said to Satyendra Jain that this cannot happen, we cannot pick and choose. There are certain laws that the government needs to abide by. And this, after no favorable decision was taken for about a week over the matter, suddenly the Delhi government charged at LG office stating that they were trying to push him clear the parole for O.P. Chautala. Lieutenant Governor's office as of now has completely refuted any allegation of Arvind Kejriwal or the Aam Aadmi Party that there was any pressure to clear for Chautala. However, Lieutenant Governor's office has also said that yes, there were medical grounds, there were applications and pleas that had come on 5th October, and also later a file was received on 28th October. But as a convict, according to the OSD here also of LG office, that according to the right with the convict, even with the under trial, they have the right to put forth a request for parole, and citing earlier issues as well, that they would consider the parole in the given time. The LG will assess the matter on it. As of now, no decision has been taken, but clearly charging against Delhi government. Today, the Lieutenant Governor's office in Delhi has come out with a very strong statement that there are attempts to create controversy, there are falsehoods, and that even the government is trying to work beyond constitutional framework, and also alleging that Satyendra Jain came with a file that did not even have a dispatch number. Now, there needs to be a dispatch number. There needs to be a record of the conversation. The file he came up with, the list he came up with of the criminal cases to be withdrawn when the LG office refused to, there was no record of that file. So clearly the war is now escalating here in Delhi between the LG office and between the Delhi government.